So speaking of kits, let's move into them. And Indiana has 37 different kits that they send out to the schools. And so here they are. They're sorted here by kit ID number. We'll help schools create a custom kit ID. So I'm sure a lot of these titles look familiar to you. We can open up the earth materials record and get a little bit more information about it. So notice this is a science kit. There are others are math kits or training kits or extra. This is a science kit. It's for the 3rd grade. And there are 2 tubs for this kit. So I'm sure many of you are familiar with the challenges of tracking how many tubs go with particular kits. Here it's very easy to see that there are 2 tubs for this particular kit. If I click over here on the Kit Products tab, we'll now see a list of all the products that are inside this kit, sorted alphabetically. So again, I'm sure you're familiar with a lot of these items: hand lenses, minerals, rocks, foil pans, paper plates, paper cups, paper towels. This should all look very familiar to you. Notice here the number of each item required for the kit is listed, any extra materials that are needed, and so forth. And so speaking of all of the products, I'll get into a little bit more of the warehouse or inventory management pieces of the system. So if I click on products, this will bring up a list of all the products stored in the warehouse used in all of the kits. And notice here there are 1,256 products. We have, not all of this information is filled out, but notice we have information to capture the last cost, how many items are in the warehouse, the count in the warehouse, the quantity that's pending, the quantity that's ready to ship. Pending means I believe that they're actually been ordered but haven't been received yet. The quantity that's ready to ship, the quantity that needs to be ordered. I can show you a little bit more about that in a minute. The quantity that's in schools. So again, very easy to find out the information that you need. If we look in maybe into this record here for needles, open up the record, it'll display some more information before. Here, the quantity in the warehouse, the quantity that are on order, ready to ship, and so forth. Who the preferred vendor is, I'm sure everybody's familiar with Delta Education. The last cost. Again, all this information is stored very very intuitively for you to get the information that you need. So